Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, can I ask you about some question about your everyday meals?
Okay.
First, can you introduce yourself?
Okay, my name is Khadijah binti Muhammad Nofia. I'm a teacher. I'm 34 years old.
Thank you. So, what you understand with balanced diet?
A balanced diet, for me, I think balanced diet that contain different kind of food in certain quantities and proportions, so that the requirement for calories, proteins, minerals, vitamins, and nutrients is adequate.
Thank you. So, why is balanced diet is important for us?
It's so important, especially for our health. Balanced diet is important to avoid disease and infections like stroke, diabetes, and heart attack.
Can I know what's your daily meals?
Sure, usually I'll take some cereals or bread, milk, and some fruit like apple for breakfast. Then for lunch, I take rice, meat, and some vegetables. For high tea, I usually eat some fruit like banana, cookies, and nuts. And I also drink green tea every day, hot green tea every day. I love green tea. Furthermore, for dinner, I eat vegetable soup or tom yum noodles or fried noodles. That's all.
And I'm 25 years old, and I'm working as immigration officer.
Thank you. So, what you understand about balanced diet?
A balanced diet consists of a variety of different types of food, consisting of all nutrients according to quantities and proportion of pyramid.
Thank you. Okay. So, how do you maintain a healthy body?
Well, I will take the correct food intake containing less meat and more vegetables to my dishes.
Thank you. Can you share your daily meal?
Sure. I will take fried rice, milk with some oats for breakfast, rice, fried chicken, plain water with some fruit for lunch, and some rice, fish, vegetable, and plain water for dinner.
Great.